Hey guys, I am so excited to show you this brand new item that just dropped in the shop. We love the Elf on the Shelf in our house, but it can be overwhelming and a lot of work. And sometimes by about day 5, I get a little bit worn out and I just need a little bit of help coming up with what else I should do with our elf besides just randomly moving him from room to room. So we put together this 14-day elf kit activity packet. So pre-planned activities for 14 days. So all you have to do is just print and go. It includes also an idea tracker. So if you think of something or see an idea that you think is really cute, you can jot it down here and then you'll remember it for later in the year or next year. So as you can see, we've got 14 days. Each day has a quick title, a little description, a list of what supplies you would need, and then some suggestions for how you would set it up. So we have 14 of these, and if there's something included with the idea, like this one says let's make an ornament, so the suggestion is to either buy pre-made ornaments like from Michael's or from the Target dollar spot, or if you're feeling really adventurous, you can make your own cinnamon ornaments, and so we've included a recipe for the cinnamon ornaments. Another example is this one that's like games. The games are included. So like I said, all that you have to do is just print and go. Everything that you need is right here. We've also included these super fun elf flags. So you would just print out these 2 pages of flags. There's 14 of them, one for each day. Cut them out, wrap them around like a toothpick or a straw, and position them with your elf, either holding or next to your elf. Just as something a little extra fun for the kids to do. So go check it out in the Etsy shop. It's there now, and if you have any questions, let us know.